How to sign up for KuCoin. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can sign up for KuCoin. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, search for KuCoin on your web browser. After that, you will see the KuCoin's website. It's kucoin.com. You can head over to their website right here. Now, if you already have an account, you'll see the login option. If you don't, you'll see the sign in option. You can directly tap on the sign up now option right here as well. But we'll tap on this one and it should take you to this section right here. Now all you need to do is type in your email address, and after you type in your email address you can tap on this create account option so you can read through your terms and conditions if you want. Let me do that again. So right here you will also notice the different sign up options, that is the Google, Apple and Telegram account. So let's tap on create account and claim reward by just going through it manually. And after you do that, go through the captcha that is presented, and now a verification code is sent to my mail. So let's head over to my mail account. You guys can also head over to your mail account and check if you have received an email about the verification code. If you haven't, be sure to check the spam folder as well. Sometimes it just gets stored in your spam, so you can check that out. Now, what you'll need to do is simply you can copy and paste your verification code that you received there. So let me just open this. There we go. Copy this, paste it right here, then tap on submit. Doing that, now you can move on with the setup process. So let me just set this up, tap on confirm. After doing that, my account should basically be created. Now sometimes you might also need to be given you might need to give your personal information, such as your name, your your name, your address and other stuff. And for the KYC verification, you might also have to give your personal citizenship information, that is your legal information. So yeah, without that, you're also basically logged in into your account. There you can see 80, that is my name here, and I have already created an account. And that's basically how you can create an account as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.